Hi, all. Today we're going to talk about Caribbean vacation. Now, you might ask, why the Caribbean? We start off with this little tidbit. Encyclopedia Britannica says that the Caribbean Sea, which it states is a sub-oceanic basin of the western Atlantic Ocean, lying between the latitudes of 9 degrees and 22 degrees north, and longitude 89 degrees and 60 degrees west. It is approximately 1 million square miles in extent. To the south, it is bound by the coast of Venezuela, Colombia, Panama. To the west, by Costa Rica, Nicaragua, the Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. To the north of the Greater Antilles Islands of Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico. And to the east, by the Lesser Antilles, consisting of the island arc that extends from the Virgin Islands in the northeast to Trinidad off the Venezuelan coast in the southeast. Within the boundaries of the Caribbean itself, Jamaica, to the south of Cuba, is the largest number of islands. Now, all that sounds great, but still maybe not enough to convince you to vacation there. Take this into account. In 2013, Condé Nast Magazine Reader's Choice Awards actually named the Caribbean one of its top 10 places to visit. And here's what they had to say about it. The islands of the Caribbean and Atlantic have it good. Turquoise ocean, white sand, and lush tropical rainforest easily make them some of the most beautiful in the world. That's why their readers picked them as their top 10 favorite spots in the region, again for the 2013 Reader's Choice Awards. There's a few classics they state, like Bermuda, St. Bart's, and St. Lucia, that made the grade. They all sound great, but again, maybe not everything that you were thinking that you were wanting. Think about it this way. They actually have a list of the top 10 islands in the Caribbean and the Atlantic, and they all made all 10. You even have the option to rent your own private villa and even island if you want to. So says Caribbean Travel Magazine. Something to keep in mind. According to the Chicago Tribune article, top resorts in the Caribbean are the Nisbet Plantation Beach Club, that's number 1. The Jade Mountain St. Lucia, that came in at number 2. And the Annecy Chestnut, also in St. Lucia, that came in number 3. That was just 3 out of the top 10, but all 10 actually are in the Bahamas. Something else to keep in mind in the Bahamas. You're looking at essentially beaches left and right, warm weather. They have different types of places that you can stay as well. For instance, if you want to stay on dry land, you might opt for the private villa and the island, like the Caribbean Travel Magazine suggested. But another option would be perhaps thinking about a Caribbean cruise. Royal Caribbean has cruises that range from relaxing to more adventurous and sporty. Their cruise packages start very reasonable, which is another reason that the Caribbean is an amazing choice for a vacation package. They have cruise packages that start as low as $289 per person, but it comes with all your meals included and a full list of events and activities that you can choose from. It keeps the planning to a minimum because the cruise takes care of it for you. Just another reason why you might want to choose the Caribbean. I mean, if you look over all the different reasons, you figure it's warm, it's tropical, there's beaches, oceans, water. They've got a little bit of everything. They've got sporty activities, they've got cruises, Royal Caribbean. And again, they were the top 10 islands, according to 2013 Reader's Choice Award. That's why I choose the Caribbean.